Hey friends, are you curious why my last video came on Monday and not Tuesday? Well, I don't know how it happened. I scheduled it for Tuesday, the same time as usual, but somehow, I don't know how it happened, it came out on Monday. So I just wanted to explain why it happened like that. And also I wanted to inform you that starting next year, I would like to post my videos on Wednesdays, the same time on Wednesday, because it just fits better to my schedule. Because on Tuesdays, I'm usually booked, my time is really running out, and doing some extra job on YouTube is just too much. So I hope it's okay with you, and leave me a comment if it's fine for you that I would post on Wednesdays instead of Tuesdays starting next year. And don't forget to watch the video I posted yesterday. I hope you didn't miss that.